In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add captions to your video with Submagic. First, open your browser and head to submagic.co. Give the page a second to load so the dashboard elements appear properly. On the home page, look for the Sign In button. Click that to get started. You can log in with Google or with your email. Choose whichever method you're comfortable with. If you're using email, make sure you have access to your inbox in case a verification prompt appears. Keep your login details private and avoid showing them on screen if you're recording. Once you're signed in, find the Upload Video option under the Clip Videos section and click it. This takes you to the file picker on your device. Select the video you want to caption. For best results, choose a clear final version of your clip with good audio, since captions are generated from what the system hears. After selecting your file, wait for the upload to finish. You'll see a progress indicator as the video transfers. Keep the tab open and your internet connection stable. Larger files may take longer, so be patient and avoid switching networks mid-upload. When the upload completes, click Edit Captions. Submagic will analyze your audio and generate captions automatically. This is where you can make refinements. If you spot a name, brand, or technical term that needs correcting, you can adjust it here. Next, choose your language. Pick the language that matches the speech in your video. This helps the platform transcribe with better accuracy and applies the right rules for punctuation and formatting. Now it's time to choose a caption style. Select a font and color that are easy to read against your video's background. If emojis are available and fit your content, add them sparingly for emphasis. High contrast text, a reasonable font size, and minimal decoration typically work best for readability on mobile and desktop. Click Preview to see the captions on your video. Watch through key sections to confirm timing, line breaks, and placement. If something feels too fast or too cramped, make quick adjustments before finalizing. This is also a great moment to check for typos or any words the system misheard. When everything looks good, click Export to download the final video. Choose the recommended settings, wait for the render to finish, and then save the file to your device. After downloading, play the video locally to confirm the captions look exactly as expected. And that's it, your captioned video is ready to share.